This is the rotten old piece of wood that I have been parking my trailer on. In fact, you can see the little circles from the foot going down on it. And this is the Ox Blox trailer jack block.
Obsession.
Brought to you by Waffle Square.
Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to the channel. Ox Blox sent me this trailer jack block for free for my independent review, having seen the last video I did on our horse trailer. Now this thing has a wide stance for stability, these cool little bowling ball holes in the side for carrying it. It's notched for round cylinders, wheels, a flat foot, and even stabilizer jacks like the ones on a travel trailer. Wow, look at this. The wheel just sank into the ground over the winter on our poor pop-up trailer. That would not happen with an Ox Blox. And if you look here, it even has a weep hole drilled through it so it doesn't collect water and freeze. Well, Aspen has a barrel race tonight, but we can't show up with a beautiful horse and a dirty truck. So let's unhitch the trailer and get this poor truck all cleaned up. Now in our case, our wheel just sits too low, even all the way up. It's too low to fit on the Ox Blox, but if you have a higher trailer from the ground or a smaller wheel, it'd be perfect for that. But that's no problem. We're back over here on the concrete. And I want to park it out of the road so that when the garbage man comes today, there's no problems. Good. So for jacks like this with no wheel or foot, that's no problem for the Ox Blox. Nice and stable. Much better. Now we can hook it back up. Well, it took some doing, but I got it to fit in there. Now this thing is thick and weighty. As you see in this picture, compared to your typical little yellow plastic wheel chock, it is beefy. And I think that, plus the fact that it's made here in America, is the reason why it has a costly $50 price tag. But when you compare it to a piece of wood or any other kind of material, it's going to last a whole lot longer. In fact, the texture of the plastic is a little softer than your typical plastic. You hear that kind of a thud? I think there's something in that process that leads them to claim it's UV resistant, unlike a little $7 yellow wheel chock. As you see in this picture here, they are stackable, and that's probably this little corresponding 4 squares to the bottom here where they have those areas, very similar to a Lego. And lastly, it can withstand a 10,000 pound weight capacity. So you RVers out there with those automatic leveling feet could certainly use these. If your foot, that big circle, is bigger than what you see right here, they do have one that's a little shorter in height, but a wider perimeter. And those are purposely meant for fifth wheel jacks and RV jacks. So if you found this video helpful, will you please give it a thumbs up? It's really helpful to the channel. I'd also like to thank Ox Blox for sending Aspen this block for the horse trailer that she races her beloved barrel racing horse Izzy in. I'm gonna leave a link to the block. That'll be an Amazon link, so if you click on that, full disclosure, it will take you to Amazon, and if you make any purchase at all, it won't cost you a thing, but I do get a small reward. And then also, Ox Blox website is excellent. They have all kinds of products, from the blocks to much more robust wheel chocks than the ones we were talking about, and a host of mats and other things for full-time RVers. Until next time, thank you for watching. You're not wanting to leave yet, are you?
No. I'm just grabbing stuff.
Okay, good. Let's rest this poor camera for a minute.
I tried to see your feet under to see if you were doing something. I couldn't see your feet. tired.
I know.